Yeah, good night, folks. This is Jade Harrison coming to you from Financial Fitness Snippets. A pertinent question I've been getting from a lot of our followers is how do they get invested in the US equity market locally from Jamaica? I constantly tell people about my investments and they're always wondering how it is done. As far as I'm aware, Proven JA or Proven Wealth, they are the only company in Jamaica that allows you to put an actual online trading platform on your device that is actually linked to real and live funds in the US stock market and in other markets across the world. So what you find is that most of my investments are done on this platform. So for persons who are interested in investing locally, investing while they're locally in Jamaica in overseas markets, I recommend Proven Wealth as a broker. Currently, I am invested in a number of stocks. My biggest picks, because these are the questions I'm frequently asked. What are my biggest holdings? Tesla, one of my biggest holdings. I carry Visa. I carry Tesla, Visa, Google, Facebook, Wells Fargo. These are some of my key accounts and equities that I've invested in. So that's just giving you guys a quick snippet into how I do what I do. And this is Financial Fitness JA, another snippet, keeping you guys informed and up to date. Like, subscribe, and share, guys. We need the support.